I need to do this a couple of times, I will. But to replace it, put the dust cover back on. Right now I got 3 parts. In the real world, you'll have 4. On the shaft, identify where the front end has got that C-clip relief cut on it. Take the dust cover and lay it on the side of the upper in the open position. Okay, it's not lined up, but just lay it there open like that. Next, take the shaft coming from the back, pushing the front end of the shaft through this little hoop, and it's going to go into the dust covered body itself. And what I do is I take it and come out about maybe an 1/8 of an inch and let it sit there. Okay. Next, get your spring. The spring has 2 legs on it. It's got a short leg, and then about 80 degrees offset from it is the long leg. The short leg goes at the back and it points up. And if you look at any working AR, you'll see a scratch mark on the upper where that spring leg has been digging on. So what I do is take it and sit it on this shaft, and I make sure that it's pointed up, and I'll hold it in position with a finger. Okay? Next thing I have to do is tension this spring. The manual says 2 turns. I want to see the guy that can make 2 turns happen. That's a fairy tale. Okay? So what I do is take that spring leg, since the spring is coiling this way, I push the spring leg away, lift it up, keep turning it around, and I lay it flat on the dust cover. There's a little shallow or a little furrow there that leg sits in. Then finish pushing the shaft through and up to the front, and it exposes that little deal, and you would have your Rotoclip A300 made in Jersey with your C-clip that you would snap it on. If you try to do it with forceps or needle nose, you will go nuts. Okay, get that tool.